Part Point 4, Software. After the boiler is filled, confirm the driver version, debug, program update, currently 0323.03 and suffix 424. The version of the skin plugin is confirmed. The operation interface keyboard is 73194652. Long press the upper end of the return key, similar to entering the background. The current version is 0323.08. The extractor resets, and the storage location of the bin file. Only one bin file can exist at the same time, and it must be the corresponding bin file. Background, main, program version update. Driver version update. Update operation. The machine moves after the update is completed. The pickup port light flashes 3 times. The version of the skin plugin is updated. After the update, it needs to be set in the background program, the number of open and lock settings at the bottom of the information configuration, and set the number of unlock to 9. The skin plugin is turned on to detect the running of the foreground app. Enter 73194652 in the shopping interface, and turn on this switch. Confirm that the detection foreground app is open.